Hi everyone, I'm Shanti, the artist behind Shanti Fine Arts. Of late, I've been doing a lot of art style challenges, a lot of portrait experiments, a lot of portraits in general. So there's been a lot of hard work going on behind the videos and my artwork in general. So I was looking for something really simple and easy, just not only for myself but also for the viewers and for the tutorial purpose, something really simple and easy. So I came up with a watercolor painting idea that is so easy that you don't even need any drawing or painting skills at all. So let's get going.
I'm starting off with a simple graphite outline sketch. Typically when I do my drawings, I keep the graphite sketch very light so that it is not visible through my layers of painting, whether watercolor or any other medium. But in this particular technique or in this particular painting, I am letting the graphite show, and you will see later why I tried to do that, because it does not matter in the long run. So next I made the whole paper really wet with a lot of water, and then I started by adding some yellow in the middle. Now you do not have to add yellow in the middle. The whole idea is to add some light colors side by side. You can start with any color in the middle: crimson, blue, green, yellow, whatever your heart feels like, and then add a bunch of other colors that get mixed in the central color, and just create a very light wash in general on the entire paper. And once you create that wash, you let that paper be 100% dry. Once it is dry, then you follow the outlines of your created by your graphite pencil and then darken the areas around your main figure. Now what I followed as a pattern is to go and darken the areas with a similar color. Like where there is yellow, I'm using a brighter yellow or orange, and then where there is pink, I'm going for a brighter crimson, or adding in some purple in that area. Where there is blue, I'm adding darker blue or darker mauve in those areas. Where there is green, I'm going for viridian green, and so on and so forth. So the idea is to create a layer of paint which is much darker on top of the already existing very light layer. The darker you go, the brighter you go, the better this painting would look. Now in this particular drawing or demonstration, I am not being 100% perfect. But the general idea is that the darker you go, the better it would look. And you try to create a darker color around the outlines, and then I'm going back inside the butterfly wings and also adding some darker colors around the outlines once again. And if you notice carefully, I'm adding the same colors which I had in the area already, just darkening that with some additional layers so that it matches with the surrounding areas. And that is all that is to this painting, and I've also linked the traceable in the video description below, so try it out and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.